E rongo e tā wharautia tēnei pau, tā wharautia tēnei kaupapa, tā wharautia tēnei kāinga, tēnei hapu, tēnei iwi, tēnei me kira. Ko ngā tāngata, e mahi nei ngā waiwai, ngā ringaringa, te patu nei I tēnei ngā rara.
The name of the po is Te Kahu Tauwhiro. It's also the name of the rōpū that got together and pulled this weekend together. And it's our second po rāhui for methamphetamine. We did one 15 years ago. The first po was called Te Wānanga. So that was the tuakana, this is the teina po. Cuts wanted to be part of this kaupapa again. And he wanted to share his journey within methamphetamine and his journey out of it. I think it's reigniting the flame of awareness around addictions and healing as opposed to the drug itself. We had a few people talk about their journey through addictions and back to health again. We had Ricky Solomon come and speak about celestial navigation and the stars. In our laneway where we live, a kaupapa called Smoke Kai, not meth, and it's just a whole bunch of whānau putting on a big feed and running like a night market. And it's been pretty successful, and we're just happy Tamanui Te Rā came out to play. We want to make Ōrākei home again. So you come to Ōrākei to feel safe, you come to Ōrākei to heal, you come to Ōrākei to put your feet in the ground and reconnect with your tūranga waiwai and bring it back to Ōrākei being a great place to be.